Hi, welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today, we're going to take a look at this Laco Augsburg pilot's watch, a really great tool watch for less than $500. In fact, less than $400. I got this on Amazon for $390. Laco is one of the original Flieger Uhr manufacturers from World War II and is a really great tool watch and an alternative to Zinn at the lower end, to even to IWC at the lower end. For under $500, you could definitely get a watch that you'd pay easy $1,500 for, and get not much more watch. There's a lot of watch in here. Let's turn the camera around and check it out. Here we have the Augsburg pilot's watch from Laco. As I said, one of the really cool things about Laco, even though they're a reasonably inexpensive watch, this one costs $390 on Amazon. They are still well made, good quality, German pilot watches, and sometimes you can get them with Swiss movements. This one has a Miyota, and it's actually called the basic Augsburg because this comes with what they call the 21 movement of theirs, the Laco 21, and it's actually a Miyota 821A, 8250. So you can get this with a better movement in the same case, and they don't call it then the basic anymore. But this is the Laco basic. It's got a mechanical movement in it, and as you see, it has a really nice presentation. That sunburst dial is beautiful, and the hands are very, very legible, lume filled. The face is all, the indices are all superluminova, and it's just a really nice watch. It's 5 atmospheres, which means that you can, wash your hands and not worry, and take a shower as long as it's not too high a pressure. If you compare it, face-wise to something like an IWC, of course, we're talking about a totally different price point here. You'd have to tack on a 0 to get to the IWC's level. But the fact remains is the Laco is a good-looking watch and can hold its own against a high-end pilot's watch. It has a very nice steel bracelet. It's a bead blasted case. The movement is visible through the display back, and it's reasonably well decorated. It's not a bad looking piece. It's a sapphire crystal, and the back of the watch is not. It's a mineral crystal or glass. It's not sapphire in the back, but it doesn't need to be in the back. And Laco is one of the original German pilot watch manufacturers from World War II, so they have a decent history on the name as well. And this is a 42 millimeter watch. It's 11.75, so 11 and 3/4 millimeters thick. And the nice thing is it's got a 20 millimeter lug width. So all in all, it really is a sharp looking piece. The crown is nice and grippy. It's not engraved, but it does have very deep knurling. Feels very nice. In fact, the Miyota does wind very well. It feels very smooth. It's not like you're trying to push a car uphill. It's really a nice feel on the watch. Let's throw it on the wrist and see what it looks like. Wristwatch check. I'm wearing my Mission to Mars moon swatch. We've got a review of this and a Fun with Straps episode of this in the show archive. Check them out, please. And now's a good time to remind you to please subscribe if you like the content, or at least like it. It helps the algorithms, helps people find us. So as I was saying, it's a nice steel bracelet. It's not a fancy deployant clasp, but it does have a very good, solid construction. The shell is very thick. It is just, it feels like the tool watch that they're presenting it to be. The lugs are reasonably supple, and everything with the bead blasting comes across then very, very authoritatively solid. You could wear this and not worry about it at all. So on the wrist, and there we have it. It's a really sharp piece on the wrist. It has nice wrist presence. As I was saying, it's highly legible. The loom is great, and it's a very good-looking tool watch. Very clean, and for less than, you can't really beat it for less than $500, because even a Hamilton, which a lot of people talk about in this price category, the khaki field doesn't have a face as nice as this, in my opinion. What's yours? Leave a comment. So let's turn the camera around and close out the episode. So that was the Laco Basic Augsburg Flieger tool watch. A great value for the money, and worthwhile consideration for your collection. If you like the content, please subscribe and at least leave a like, and tell your friends, please. Thanks for watching.